Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make pork oil. Trim fat into small, even cubes and place them in a cold, heavy pan to start. Cook slowly over low heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking and promote even melting. Keep the temperature steady so solids separate cleanly and the oil stays clear. Save rendered oil for cooking and reserve cracklings for snacking or recipes. Begin by heating the pan gently and letting fat render slowly until clear liquid forms at the bottom. Stir occasionally and reduce heat if sizzling or smoking appears, keeping everything calm and steady. Once solids are golden and the liquid is clear, remove from heat and let it cool slightly before straining. Straining preserves flavor and clarity and allows you to collect pure pork oil for sautéing, roasting, or frying with great taste. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides. Quick recommendation: while you render and filter, grab a sip from your Owala water bottle to stay hydrated and hands-free during hot cooking. It's great at the stove and doesn't tip over easily. I enjoy keeping one nearby when I'm focused on long renders. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When most solids have settled, strain the hot oil through a fine mesh or several layers of cheesecloth into a clean jar. Let it cool uncovered until no steam rises, then seal tightly and refrigerate to keep it fresh longer. Properly stored pork oil solidifies in the fridge and stays usable for weeks, and labeling jars with the date helps you rotate stock and use the oldest first in your favorite recipes and frying tasks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.